What is going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Fishing GrubbZ. Today's video is going to be short and sweet because today I have a surprise for me that I didn't even know was coming. I just got home from work. We actually had another video we were going to edit, and I came home to two packages that I was not expecting at all, and I have no idea what's in either of them. So we have this one. Feels like a t-shirt. This one has no company name on it, so I honestly don't even know where it came from. I'm very confused, but I'm also stoked, so we'll open that up. And then this one, we know where it comes from. This is from AFCO. I've literally never talked to anyone from AFCO. I know very little about their company. I know they make dope fishing products. I know we have some stuff on the Monster Bass site that pairs with AFCO, but this isn't from Monster Bass, it's from AFCO. So I'm confused. I don't know if somebody sent me these things, or like, I don't know if a person sent me these things or a company sent me these things. I'm dumbfounded. So we're gonna open them up, and that's what we're doing today. Guys, do me a favor, if you're not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, hit the bell as well. We're dropping videos every single weekday, and this year, by the end of the year, we are trying to reach 10,000 subscribers, and if we do that, we are going to be giving away a Shimano Metanium DC. That is a $500 reel, folks, so if we can get the word out there, get people over to this channel, subscribe to this channel, and we hit 10K by the end of the year, which is extremely possible, folks. It is still very early in the year, and we're literally growing faster than we ever have. So 10K is super reasonable, and if we get there by the end of the year, we are going to give away the Shimano Metanium DC reel, which is one of the nicer reels out on the market. So I'm going to shut up and get into this. So let's open up this no-name package first. Here we go. It's definitely going to be a t-shirt. Double bag t-shirt. Monsters. Yo, this shirt is dope. Monsters. I don't even know who sent it to me, though. I'm so confused right now. This is a sick shirt. Never seen it before in my life. And I will be wearing it. I'm so confused. There's a little thing underneath the label, so I'm going to look in there and see if it's got any information. Oh, this is a Monster Bass shirt. Dope. So this came from Monster Bass. Oh, there it is. I didn't even see it, guys. I didn't even see that. It says Monster Bass right. Well, it has the Monster Bass emblem right there, hidden. That is freaking sick. Dope. I love surprises. I literally just got a package in the mail the other day from Monster Bass like 3 or 4 days ago with a couple shirts and a couple baits and stuff, and so that's like just an added bonus. Let's get into the APKO box. In the APKO box, we have an AFCO box. Huh? I'm so very confused, guys, still. Stuff's rattling, so it might not just be a shirt. Maybe it's shoes. AFCO shoes. Monster Bass shoes. Holy crap. What is all this? Yo. So we got AFCO stickers. A little pamphlet, Bass Care 101. This looks similar to that pamphlet that we had in Monster Bass. Guys, by the way, this is huge. If you hold your bass like that, you're really not doing it right. I mean, if it's a 1 pound bass, it's not gonna matter. But anything over a couple pounds, hold your bass correctly. Also, this looks weird when you hold fish like this. I don't know why I'm saying this now, but like, do you hold anything else in your life like this? So why hold a fish like that? I digress. AFCO hat. What? Guys, $100 freaking bucks on the AFCO site? That is out of control. AFCO products are expensive and really nice from what I do understand. They're a high quality brand, and I'm dumbfounded. This is great. I definitely could use this. So here's a floaty that you can put on probably anything. You could put this on your phone, you can put it on your keychain. That way, if you drop your keys in the ocean or the lake or the pond, they will float. This is a sun mask. Can never have enough of these bad Larrys. AFCO. Jesus. A bunch of 50% off cards to AFCO, which we might have to give those away because I just feel like this is too much. I mean, this is unbelievable. Dope AFCO t-shirt. Built to fish. That's a sick shirt, guys. Damn. This is sick. Well, guys, it looks like we know where the package came from. That is the APKO symbol on the AFCO shirt. Sick. Dope collaboration between APKO and AFCO. We got a Koozie. We got some more stickers. Some of the ones you guys already saw. That's a different one. And this one's dope as dope could be. Well, that was a freaking awesome surprise to come home to. So 2 of my favorite companies sending me just random stuff that I had no idea was coming. This sick brand new Monster Bass design. I don't even know if this is up on the website yet, but I'm really freaking pumped about this. And guys, we're gonna be doing some work with APKO as well as Monster Bass. We are not going to be doing anything with Mystery Tackle Box, but we're going to be working with APKO because obviously our best friend works with APKO. So they came to me and wanted to do some collaborations and stuff. So we're going to be doing some cool stuff, some sponsored videos for Carl's Bait and Tackle and their products, 10,000 fish, all that kind of stuff. But we are not leaving Monster Bass. In fact, we're going to be with Monster Bass for quite some time. But you gotta love and respect what APKO has done for the fishing industry, folks. They have taken a huge step. Knox, that's my camera, bud. On the box. APKO has taken a huge step in taking the fishing industry from this, you know, old fart sport, if you will, to making it cool for everyone. And it's cool that they're doing that because it's also something that Monster Bass is striving to do. And it's also something that SOLIFORNIA, one of my favorite companies in the land, has been doing since day one. So for the past 5 or 6 years, SOLIFORNIA has been doing their best to show fishing in a different light. And that is what I love about APKO, the Guggen Squad and all that. And that's also what I love about Monster Bass. I have to consider myself one of the luckiest dudes on the planet because I get to work with some of the dopest companies out there. So let's let's give away 2 of these cards. I'm going to keep one of these cards for me in case I want to order some cool shit from AFCO, and it's 50% off. So I'm going to keep that and the $100 Pro Deal card. So guys, let's give these away. Comment down below anything you want. Make sure you're subscribed to this channel. Make sure you like this video, and please share any one of my videos. And we're gonna pick 2 winners. We're gonna give away a 50% off AFCO card, and we're also gonna give away a sticker of your choice. So if you win, you can tell me you want the bass sticker. Actually, well, only one of you can win this because I'm keeping one of those. But you can get, one of any of these stickers that we have. And that's that, guys. I need to get this video up to you guys. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did, because I'm freaking flabbergasted. I'm like, man, life is good. So many things to come in the future, guys. We have some insanely big plans we are working on, and I cannot wait to fill you guys in on it. But we're gonna keep it on the hush hush for a little bit. I can't really say anything until things have actually happened. But I mean, we're pumped. This year is going to be an incredible year for fishing. It's going to be an incredible year for the channel, and hopefully it's an incredible year for all of you. Thank you for tuning in to another episode of Fishing Grubs. I love you all. We'll catch you tomorrow. Fish on.
Wonder if all my bad decisions get accounted in the algorithms. No statistician could dissuade me from my bigger vision. I know my occupation's quite an unlikely place in this world to occupy and talk about upon a daily basis. Our information's predetermined by some biased business. We all in sermon to silicon that push out lovely neighbors. I'm done with paper chasing, think I'm on to bigger banquets. This that full circle, new wave, energy on a Tuesday.